Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to build a blog website from scratch for free. I'll be showing you two different platforms you can use to create a blog website for free as a beginner. The first example is Google Sites. With Google Sites, it all depends on your level of expertise when it comes on to create website. For example, you can go onto Google Sites and it is completely free to use. So you're going to go onto sites.google.com. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. On this page, you can see some templates at the top that you can choose from. So you could select template gallery and you can see different templates that you can choose from. What I would normally choose from is one of these two templates. After you have selected the template that you would like to use, you're going to be redirected to this page. On this page, you can now start adding your own personal touches. So for example, you can change the background image if you want. All you'll need to do is tap on the current image that is there, and you're going to see in the bottom left hand corner image. You can tap on image. After you have tapped on image, from here you could tap on upload, and you could upload an image that you would like to use. So for example, let's say I would just like to change it to this image. I could select the image, then tap on open. You can see right there, it is as easy as that. After you have done that, all you need to do now, if you would like to change the text, you can tap on the text and you can quickly edit the text section. And you can scroll down and you can quickly tap on edit each section. It's as easy as that when you are using a template. And by the way, if it is a case that you would like to add any elements or so on, you can do that by going over to the right hand menu option, and from there, if you would like to embed something, you can do that. You can also add images if you want, text boxes, and so on. And you can scroll down. If you would like to add social links, you can do that by tapping on social links. From there, you'll be able to add your social media links and so on. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish. Now, the other platform that I would recommend you use if you are a complete beginner is Wix Website Builder. With Wix Website Builder, it is a lot easier to use compared to Google Sites, and it also looks a lot more professional. So you can see an example of a blog that I created in minutes using Wix. To get started, you're going to need to go onto wix.com. Once on Wix.com, you can create an account using your Google account or Facebook account. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. Then from here, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. If you were to tap on Start Chat, you'll be able to create a blog using AI. After you have tapped on Set Up Without Chat, from here you can type in blog on the search bar, and you could select the type of blog that you would like to create. So you can see that there are different categories that you can go into. So for example, let's say I would like to create a family blog. Then I can tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you'll be able to go onto your Wix dashboard. And from here, you can enter in your blog name. So I'm just going to call it family blog. So let me do that real quick. Then tap on continue. After you have done that, you can choose the goal of your blog. So the goal of my blog is to share knowledge and also display creative work. And I'm going to tap on continue. Then from there, you can see some recommended apps. You can select any one of these apps that you would like to add to your website. After you have done that, you're going to tap on continue to dashboard. Once on your Wix dashboard, to create your first blog article, you will need to hover over blog on the left hand menu option. Then you're going to select posts, and from here you can tap on create new posts, and you'll be able to create your first post. By the way, if you would like to use the Wix AI to compose an article for you or to get blog ideas, you can go over to the left hand menu option and tap on AI tools. From here you could tap on blog posts, and you could use the Wix AI by simply giving it a few prompts or ideas. You can use it to create a blog post for you. You can use it to create a title, outline, images, anything at all that you'd like. and then you will tap on publish and your blog will now be live. And after you're finished, you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on design site, you're going to tap on customize a template. After selecting customize a template, you will be redirected to the themes page. And normally I would select one of the best matches, but you can scroll down and you can see that there are numerous themes that you can choose from. Let's say, for example, I were to select this theme. All I would need to do is tap on edit. After selecting edit, you're going to be redirected to the Wix editor page. On the Wix editor page, you'll now be able to add your own personal touches to how you'd like your website to appear. So normally I would close the pop-up box, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Now this is how our website looks at the moment. To start editing it, you can simply hover over the section you'd like to edit, then tap on quick edit, and you're going to see the different editing options on the right hand column. So you can change the image if you want by simply tapping on change. You can change the title, you can change the paragraph, and you can edit each section by simply scrolling down and selecting the section. If it is a case that you would like to add a section, you can simply hover below a section, then tap on add section. Then you can go over to the left hand window, and from there you can add different sections: welcome section, about, gallery, theme, contact, anything that you would like to add to your website. You will be able to do that from the left hand menu option. You can also tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and from there, if you would like to add text, image, buttons, anything at all to your website, you will be able to do that right there. And to view all the pages on your website, you're going to tap where you see home in the top left hand corner, and you can see the different pages right here. Now you can select a page and you can quickly edit that particular page, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will now be live. It's as easy as that to create a blog website for completely free. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.